Ladies and gentlemen, within the next 12 minutes or until the alarm sounds, I'm trying to explain to you a relatively new entity on the market with obviously some impact on general ship safety, the protection of the marine environment, and on sustainable shipping in general. Ladies and gentlemen, in case you are not properly following the next 10 or 12 minutes, don't despair. I know about colleagues who haven't got it within 12 months. In my presentation, I'm following the outlined scheme to illustrate the legal background, the partners, the way we are performing our job, and our means to tell you, the consumers, in the end, about achievements and areas where improvement is necessary or at least advisable. Before I start to explain what QAIS is, I'm telling you what QAIS is not. QAIS is for sure not a European entity, and QAIS is by far not a subsidiary of Ajax. You will later easily understand what I mean by this. The entity for the quality assessment and certification of organizations recognized by the European Union, QAIS, was founded in November 2010 by the then 12 recognized organizations. In short, I'm using ROs for recognized organizations or classification societies. These are the class societies as long as they are not recognized somewhere. Through the arrangement of an independent board of directors serving as a kind of a cofferdam, or sometimes I'm using membrane, between the operative part of the entity and the members, the ROs, the independence of the operative part of the company is ensured. QAIS is a not-for-profit company registered in England with an office in London. The members, inter alia, are in charge for the funding with an annual budget of some £500,000. QAIS's job in principle is to police the members that are all recognized in the EU. The entity started its operation in the beginning of 2011, a rather short time after the foundation. Ladies and gentlemen, as you are mainly representing ship owners, I need not to tell you that international shipping is governed by a plethora of rules and regulations safeguarding the safety at sea, an unimpaired marine environment, and a sustainable shipping in general. There are a lot of schemes and institutions monitoring the compliance with international laws, but almost all of them are covered by the activities of the classification societies. As these societies have a key role in the safe operations of ships, they are subject to the EU regulation 391 of 2009 of the European Parliament and of the Council of 23rd April 2009. The basic principle for the foundation and the operation of QAIS is stipulated in Article 11 of the regulation. At the moment, there are 11 ROs members of QAIS who are all Ajax societies. IRS, that is the Indian Register of Shipping, who is already Ajax, is expected to join QAIS in due course. The board of directors consists of 5 members from Japan, the People's Republic of China, Greece, France, and Germany. Board members, as a precondition, shall not have any current connection to any classification society. The staffs comprise an executive secretary, an administration officer, and 4 subcontracted assessors. The executive secretary and the administration officer are English. The assessors are from Taiwan, India, England, and Germany. As you can see from this, QUAIS is truly international. The way it is organized ascertains its independence from external influence, in particular from ROs, IACs, or last not least, the European Commission and its services like EMSA. The oversight over the classification society's quality, safety, and pollution standards are done by internationally recognized accredited certification bodies, the so-called ACBs. The individual societies' offices and the field surveys are formally audited in accordance to their size with ISO 9001 and a set of marine standards which have been developed by IACS and named Quality Systems Certification Scheme. A prescribed number of these audits are randomly assessed by QUAIS. On average, we have between 30 to 40 assessments per year. The final product of QUAIS's activities will be a certificate assigned to the Classification Society performing to procedural and auditing standards prescribed by QUAIS. The justification for this is again defined in the EU Regulation 391. At the moment, we are signing tripartite agreements between QUAIS, the ROs, and their relevant ACBs to ensure the contractual foundation for the certification. By the end of the year, we will have issued certificates for all our members. The focus assessment areas for the current year, resulting from the experience gained during the previous years, are among others the statutory certification and the accuracy of issued certificates. In the years before, our focus areas inter alia consisted of passenger ship fire safety, mobile offshore units, lifeboat and life raft service suppliers, or the Maritime Labour Convention. The annual report for 2014, for the last year, will be issued this month. The annual report gives an account of the operation during the last year and contains collective recommendations to our members. In addition to these collective recommendations, there are individual recommendations given in private meetings. These meetings are not only private, but as well confidential. The annual report 2014 will be made available as the reports before, for example, to those who are attending the Maritime Safety Committee meeting at the IMO next time in London in June. It is meant to be used by all interested parties in case you feel concerned, what you obviously are. You can freely download all reports issued so far from our website. And with that, I'm looking forward to a lively discussion, but before I give the floor to the next speaker, I would like to congratulate Apostolos Bilokas and his team on the organization of such a professional event. Thank you very much.